Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today we discuss about East China University of Science and Technology CSC scholarship. So let's start. You can visit this website csguideofficials.com and get your desired university which you want to apply. Okay. Now, East China University of Science and Technology ECUST Chinese Government Scholarship. This university also have Shanghai Government Scholarship and President Scholarship. We will later on we will discuss on that topic. Okay. Now we discuss Chinese government scholarship. Okay, here is the detail. You can read this, and the scholarship detail is authority is Chinese government scholarship 2022, and university name is East China University of Science and Technology ECUST. This is for master and PhD students, and I think it's also for undergraduate if anyone wants to apply. Okay, but maybe they exempt 1 year Chinese language are including in scholarship duration, so you can ask from them or apply directly if you want to apply. Okay, scholarship type is fully funded, but this is for master and PhD. Definitely they offer scholarship. Monthly allowance is 3000 RMB for master and 3500 RMB for PhD. Just online apply. 10th of April 2022 is the last date. Okay, and what is the eligibility criteria? All international students can apply. Age limits for master 35 and for PhD 40 years, and IELTS is not mandatory. You can apply with English proficiency certificate. So in next video, inshallah, we will discuss about Shanghai Government Scholarship, ECUST, Shanghai Government Scholarship, and President Scholarship. So this is just for CSE scholarship. How to apply for this scholarship? First you fill CSE online application form. Later on you need to fill, after filling CSE online application form, you need to fill ECUST University online application form. Okay, need to pay 600 RMB application fee. Here is the bank detail in which you deposit your 600 RMB application fee. If you have any friend in China, request him to submit your fee. So from your home country, maybe it's difficult for you to pay this application fee, and the result is announced that the result will be announced at the end of July, and just online apply, no need to send hard copies. And this one is optional. This one is if you think that you need to send this you need to send your application form to this email address, you can, but this is the requirement of last year, but no, this time they not required any kind of these documents in email format. So I just type this one here because maybe some student confused how we know that our documents are reached in university or not. So that's why it's optional. If you want to, if you did not send, then it's okay. Okay, so if you need to fill CSC online application form, click here. Okay, and you need to fill a university online application form, click here. So later on in this video we will go to the university portal. Here's the portal already open, so we will check either which documents are required. So if you want to check, or if you want to know, or if you want to watch the video in English or in Urdu, you can click here for how to fill the university form. So here is the required documents list. First you fill CSE online application form. After that you need to fill ECUST University online application form, and you need to select self-sponsored option. There is no scholarship option for CSE scholarship, Shanghai Government Scholarship, and others. Okay, so don't worry about this. We will go to the university portal after discussing this required documents. Okay, copy of highest education, highest transcript, and study plan and research proposal. This should be minimum of 800 words. So 2 recommendation letters. Okay, and here is the requirement regarding recommendation letters. Recommendation letter should be issued after 1st of September and contain the following information. Means your document must be your recommendation letter must be issued after 1st of September. If your recommendation letter issued before September, any date before September, it will not be accepted. Okay, so you need to make it your recommendation letter from that date, after that date. And the content following information means title and institute, contract information. Contact information means professor information, email, and signature of the recommender means your supervisor, means your professor or sign, professor sign, not the acceptance letter, it's the recommendation letter. Okay, professor sign is mandatory, these requirements. So the sample which one uploaded on our website, it's okay for and follow these conditions, so don't worry. Okay, other supporting documents, for example, published papers and award, if you have attached it, otherwise leave it. Photocopy of applicant's passport information, physical examination form, English proficiency certificate, science is not mandatory. Acceptance letter, if obtained, for those who will not receive the acceptance letter from the supervisor, CIE will means College of International Education will contact the appreciate school to arrange, means acceptance letter is not mandatory. Okay, if you have, then it's plus point, otherwise it's okay, no issue. Upload the attached fee receipt with documents, means the fee which you paid, you need to upload this, or you need to upload this receipt on university portal. Okay, if there is any place. No criminal certificate record. And here is the major list. You can see Chinese government scholarship majors. Last time I think biochemistry or microbiology, I think included in the CSC majors list, but this time they offer scholarship to these majors: chemical engineering and water, school of resource and environmental engineering. Okay, if your major is in the list, then apply, otherwise I suggest you not apply in this university, because on CSC portal I already checked that many other majors are available, but on their website they clearly mention on official advertisement that they offer CSE scholarship to these majors, but for Shanghai government scholarship they offer multiple majors. So when we make the video regarding Shanghai government scholarship, then later on we will discuss on that topic. Okay, so click here to get the official advertisement as well. Now we go to the university online application portal. Here is the university online application portal, and after making an account, ECUST.17gz.org, and you can see here is the page. Click on online application form, and this one is I try to fill this form because just for the video last year, so that's why it shows that the application form has expired, because I not applied last year because I already got scholarship, so it's just for demo for video. Okay, so now I click on applications and click on the I have read an agreement, agree the regulations, agree and continue. So here is the, please choose the self-sponsored programs. When I click on self-sponsored, you can check here is no detail, but for if you want to apply for CSC scholarship or Shanghai government scholarship, you need to select this option. There is no scholarship option, so your self-sponsored option is considered as your scholarship option. Okay, so don't worry about that there is no option for CSE, no for Shanghai government, so it's okay. So I want to select master student and click on next here, and you can see here's the majors. A lot of majors are available, so I select English. So majors, I think 17 majors are available here. Okay, but on their advertisement they just shows two majors. Only two majors are available. These majors, they offer scholarship to these majors. Clearly mentioned majors available for CSE type B are follow. Okay, so you can follow this major list. Okay, no, I want to select any of school of resources. For example, I click want to apply. So after this, you can see here is the form, but I want to go back because just want to show you that which documents are required for while uploading. So I click on view. If you think that your application is mistakenly you select the wrong major, so you can delete that. And if you already submit the form and something wrong was happened and your computer or the laptop was shut down, so you can click on edit option to carry your form from that point where you left. Okay, so I click on view option. So here is the required documents: passport and visa pages, the previous stage of graduation certificate, the previous stage of degree certificate, transcript, and graduation certificate, degree certificate, and transcript. Maybe and these don't confuse in this in these documents. This is just the same. Graduation certificate is your means if you want to apply for a master degree, then your graduation certificate is your bachelor degree certificate, and your previous degree certificate is also your bachelor degree certificate. candidate. Okay, so and your transcript and the valid report of Chinese means if you have English proficiency certificate, then upload it. Acceptance letter, here is the acceptance letter. Maybe it's optional, because they not mention on their official advertisement that it's compulsory. This says if obtained. Okay, so if your form is not going forward without uploading acceptance letter, then it's necessary to upload acceptance letter here. So recommendation letters and study plan, no criminal certificate, record statement of financial support. I think it's just for self-sponsored candidate. Okay, so maybe it's not optional. So Chinese government scholarship application form, the form which you already filled, and for CSC scholarship then you need to upload here, and for Shanghai government, if you already applied on Shanghai portal, Shanghai government scholarship application portal, and download the form, you need to submit that you need to upload that form here. Okay, but if you want, I suggest you, if you want to apply for CSC scholarship, you must fill the Shanghai government scholarship at the same time and upload your Shanghai government scholarship application form here, because your one application will be considered for 2 scholarships. But if you think that your major is not available on CSC website, or for CSC means your major is available on CSC website, but in this list your major is not included, then you must have to fill just Shanghai government scholarship application form. Okay, first pages of published papers if you have, otherwise leave it. Physical examination form, remittance receipt of application fee, mean you need to upload you need to submit the application fee first and then upload the remittance bill here. Other documents and signature scanning, means you need to upload your signature here. Okay, type your signature in any page of any blank page and then upload it here. Okay, here is the list of required documents on university portal. Hope so you get the point which you need. So we will discuss the other information regarding president's scholarships and your Shanghai government scholarship in ECUST university. So later on we will discuss in the video. Visit this website cscguideofficials.com and get the latest update regarding CSC scholarship, Shanghai government scholarship and university scholarship, and all other scholarships in China. So good luck. Hope so this video is very beneficial for you. So take care of yourself. I will meet you in the next video. Allah.